Hey everybody, I'm going to be talking to you guys today about this summer 3Dmini convenience stroller. It's a travel stroller. So with a trip coming up soon for us, I wanted to look for a stroller that didn't break the bank and that was well reviewed. I'm going to give you some tips as well about some installation tips, some final thoughts, and if I actually used it, decided to keep it, or I'm returning it. This is a umbrella travel stroller coming in at 11 pounds. So it's super lightweight, folds really easily. You can pick it up and move it around really quick, throw it into the car. When you're at the airport, you can quickly move it around in the airport, fold it up when it's time to check it in, and then open it back up when you get it back from airport staff. I'm 6'1", and this stroller is pretty low. It's kind of like I'm resting my hands right at my hip. So it's like walking around with it nonchalant. I wish it was a little bit higher, but I don't think it would be an issue. Let me start with some installation tips before I get into a review. Some people in the reviews said that their stroller never came with the install guide. Mine did, but I didn't notice it until after I put it together. But let me tell you a few things. When installing this stroller, it doesn't come with the wheels on, and the umbrella is not on as well. So you have to attach those. That's about the only two things you need to put together. Installing the wheels. Obviously, if you used a stroller before, the back part has a longer stop or brake, and then the front wheels have this shorter one. These can lock into place, so like they move around, and they'll lock into place to keep it from moving around. When installing the umbrella portion of it, I was a little confused at first without reading the instructions, but you'll find this button here, and the umbrella portion will go over the button. So align the holes and clip this on like that. Obviously do the other side as well. Then there's a little Velcro piece here that goes over this bar, Velcros to the back of the umbrella, and then boom, there you have it. Umbrella portion is on. The recline is adjusted with this little strap and button here, so you push and pull to make it go up. So the seat will go up, and then you press and pull back, and then the seat will recline back. So this is how far it reclines. My daughter is 39 inches tall, 20 months old, and she fits really well on this seat. So fitment was not an issue. It also comes with this cup holder that is actually really nice. It's deep, so your drinks won't spill. And then it seconds as a little fanny pack too. It has a zipper here for whatever else you need to put in here. This is already installed, so you won't need to add anything to that. So we're actually gonna end up returning this stroller. Although it's nice, it's light, it folds easily, and unfolds as well. One main reason we're returning it is what I should have paid attention to online is this storage basket. Here is too small, it's covered here. You can't throw a book bag in here, just a couple of loose items. And my wife and I just like throwing our book bag, or the baby's book bag, or diaper bag, I should say, inside of the stroller and not, carrying it the whole time. So we just throw it in. It's convenient. Puts less stress on us too, because sometimes it gets heavy. But yeah, so we're gonna end up returning this. It's not gonna work out for us. for that reason. The other issue, other than the storage basket being too small, I didn't really care about this one too much, but the left wheel doesn't really touch the ground when you're riding it around. It kind of just like floats in the air. I don't see that as being a huge issue. So that wasn't really the main reason I'm returning it. The stroller, as I said, folds pretty easily. There's this metal bar here. This little latch right here kind of goes up like this, and you just fold it right up and it clicks into place, and here it is. Umbrella stroller, really lightweight. Now let's compile all the pros and cons. Pros: 1, it's compact as an umbrella stroller. It's lightweight at 11 pounds. Folds easily, unfolds easily. It has 2 cup holders built in, plus a little storage zipper, and is easy to maneuver. The cons. One of the cons is that the biggest one for me is the storage basket. It's too small and it's blocked off by the aluminum or metal crossbars, so you can't really throw a diaper bag in there or anything. And then 2, one of the wheels doesn't really touch the ground. I've read some of the reviews that other people have had the same issue as well. So that's the only cons. Overall, for right under $50, sometimes you could get it on sale around $40, but it's usually $49.99 on Amazon. It's a good buy if you don't have big diaper bags to put into the storage basket, or if you carry them anyways, then you could definitely buy it.